Hello, Mrs. Entwistle and Mrs. Donlan's groups. I've got an exciting phonics lesson for you today because we're going to start phase 3 in phonics, which means we're going to start learning some trickier sounds and doing some trickier reading and writing. And I think you're all ready for that now, so hopefully you'll really enjoy it. Before we get started, let's practice some of the sounds that we learnt in phase 2. So I've got them all here. Shall we choose one and see if we can remember what it says? Let's do this one. What sound does that letter make? Well done, it's k, 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 k. Let's pick another one. What about this one? That's an easy one, isn't it? You all know that. Fantastic, let's do one more. This one. What's that? Well done, it's Now, even though we're going to start moving on and learning some new sounds, I want you to all keep practicing those phase 2 sounds. If you have a look on the English activity from yesterday, you will see there is a phase 2 phonics mat. You can use that to help you practice. You can point to the sounds, point to the letters, say the sounds, okay? See if you can make sure that you still know them because you'll be using them lots in your reading and your writing, okay? Right, we're going to learn a new sound today, which is exciting, and it's this sound here. Do any of you know what it is already? Got a few people in our class whose name begins with this sound. We've got Johan, Jad. So this is the sound J, and this is the letter J. My name is J, and I say J, and you can see I'm wobbling like a jelly because jelly begins with J, doesn't it? Maybe you can wobble like a jelly. Okay, so we're going to have a look at that sound today, and we're going to see if we can have a go at practicing reading it, writing it, and recognising it when we're working, okay? So I've got some words here. I wonder if you can have a little go at at reading them, okay? Are you ready? Here's the first one. Now, you all know how to sound, talk and blend, don't you? So let's do this together. Ready? J-a-b. J-a-b. Well done, that's right. It says jab. Jab. That means like to poke something. Jab. Well done. What about this one? Have a look. Jet. Can you blend it? Jet. Jet. Super. A jet is like a fast aeroplane, isn't it? Let's do another one. Oh, this is a good one. See if you can read it. Jam. Well done. You might like to have that on your toast for breakfast. Oh, excuse me. Sneezing in the middle of our lesson. Right, another one. Jig. Well done. Excellent. Jig. So all those letters have got J at the beginning, haven't they? Now I've got another one here. I'm not going to show it to you because I want you to write this one, okay? So this word, I'll give you a clue about what it is first. This word tells us about what different people... I'm a teacher. That is my job. Job. I wonder if you can have a go at writing the word job. Sound talk it. See if you can sound it out. J-o-b. Job. Now, I've just thought that you might need some help with that because we haven't looked at how we write this letter, have we? Let's have a little look at it together. Now, you might notice it looks a little bit like it, doesn't it? But the difference is it is a short letter that sits on top of the line. And J is a much longer letter. It's got a long tail and its tail goes right under the line. Okay, so start at the top, go down and round with a dot at the top. Okay, down, around, with a dot at the top. Super. Maybe you could have a little practice doing the j on its own first before you have a go at writing the word job. Yeah? Super. Well done, everybody. I wonder if you can think of any other words with j. It's not a very common sound. There's not lots and lots of words that begin with j, but you might be able to think of some. Perhaps you could let me know by recording your voice to tell me if you can think of any other j words. Super. Well done.